Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful card. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need premium cardstock, perhaps in a lovely pastel shade, along with complementary decorative papers. Select a few elegant embellishments such as delicate ribbons or small adhesive gems. Ensure you have sharp scissors, a reliable adhesive, and a clean, organized workspace. These high-quality supplies form the foundation for a truly special, handmade creation, ready for your heartfelt message. Now, let's focus on the design. Carefully fold your chosen cardstock in half, ensuring a perfectly crisp crease for the card's base. Next, cut your decorative papers into various shapes and sizes that complement your chosen theme. Consider using a paper trimmer for precise edges. Begin layering these pieces onto your card front, using foam adhesive dots to create a lovely three-dimensional effect. This adds depth and visual interest, making your card truly stand out. The personal touch makes all the difference. Inside your card, handwrite a heartfelt message expressing your love and appreciation. Use a fine-tip pen for neatness. On the front, carefully attach your chosen embellishments. Perhaps a small satin ribbon tied into a bow, a sprinkle of fine glitter, or a few tiny paper flowers. Ensure every piece is securely glued down, allowing ample drying time. These thoughtful details transform a simple card into a cherished keepsake. Before presenting your beautiful creation, take a moment for final checks. Carefully inspect the card for any stray glue, smudges, or uneven edges. Make any necessary small adjustments. To complete the presentation, consider crafting a matching envelope or adding a decorative wax seal for an extra touch of elegance. Your handmade card, crafted with such care and attention to detail, is now ready to be given. Present it with all your love and pride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.